Make a great choice today with the 2013 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.